ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbentaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai lekai bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Dang hakatayo baladem, unong yalam bah Khlieh du jong kasengsan partai United Democratic Party uba medba lingdo. Lembat kikatto kat ningut kinong yalam bah kaman kilahir syarilom garo nagabenta ban panjing kersan nakipat ba nong song snong jong karilom garo bakin kersan ni kikirtong gi baka party kala penyang hagani ga election MDC kaban salong sya kayeng dorbar thawan jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ha ka khandai tarik ubnaya yong arjar arpuway. Haka jingye keren berkilat patai kubor, uba medba lingdo uliatho baka UDP ka donye ka jing Kyrmen, baha ka kenti ka pementa, kan yo ban Bsuh Khlieh hapo ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, da ka jing ay jing kersan lem jong kipat ba, bat da ka jing treshitom jong kinong yalam ka party UDP harilom Garo.
UDP we had gone ahead. Last week I was in William Nagar and Bagmala especially, and they had invited me to come and attend one public function there. From the party side, we hope we will be opening some, seats as far as this consolidation goes. As of now, we have invited applications from all those who are interested to contest from UDP, and there's a good response. So the last date for the same will be on the 23rd of this month. So post 23rd we will be able to tell you that how many candidates, but we will be putting up a good number of candidates this time. Already constitute a committee who will look and draw the outline about the manifesto for this upcoming district consultations. So there that also, I think in a very short time we will be able to finalize the manifesto. I have nothing to say about what other parties are concerned of. We will look into our priorities and concerns that need to be addressed as far as this consolidation is concerned.